So as an avid tennis player and a tennis coach, I'm outside in the sun in all types of weather, and you get hot, and sometimes a cap is not useful. This is why I'm a big fan of visors for men and for women. And SAAKA provides a premium quality visor that I do enjoy. It's lightweight, it's premium quality, it's great for golf, tennis, running, just about any outdoor activity where you need the ventilation up through your head, but you need the cap for a shade and a little bit of sweat absorption. So it's fully adjustable, it's pretty soft on the edges and flexible, and it's stiff in the bill where it needs to be. They use bamboo technology, or SAAKA visors are made of bamboo, fabric, and high-tech poly spandex microfiber material. And it's ultra lightweight, this way you forget that you even have it on. And it also keeps the sweat out of your eyes, and that's key for a tennis player like myself. Now with all this functionality, the big important thing is it looks great and holds its form. It's a quality premium product. I use it and you should too.